Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Adam here and welcome back to another video where today we have an unboxing of a very, very unique and special product. Today we're going to be unboxing Apple's AirPods Max and then later on reviewing to find out if they're worth the very steep price tag. So with that all being said, let's jump right into the unboxing. So as per usual, we are presented with the Apple AirPods Max. Beautiful Apple packaging and the words right on top. Let's flip that around real quick. And we got a nice pull tab right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull... Yeah, okay. So when I was unboxing this, I accidentally broke the pull tab. So I had to resort to a plan B, which was really just kind of hacking away the packaging. That's the best part of any unboxing. You can't tell me otherwise. Well, actually, maybe second best if you compare it to this absolute beautiful drop of a box. And just like that, we are presented with the AirPods Max. So now, this isn't the color of the carrying case, but the carrying case is covered with this like plastic-ish paper material. Very nice. So then we get a look at our paperwork, and surprisingly in our paperwork we have no Apple stickers, but other than that we have the regulatory information and everything else that you would, I guess, quote-unquote need. Then putting that aside, we get a lightning to USB Type-C cable and no power adapter in the box. But moving that all out of the way, we can actually start getting onto the headphones. Now if we take off this weird plastic thingy, we can see that we are presented with the headphones in this black case. Now, don't even get me started. Even though I'm like a year late on this case, the case is still very, very much weird. After struggling for a little bit and admiring this piece of plastic, we actually get to look at the headphones. Now, the material that the headphone case is like a nice soft like silicone material with like an Alcantara finish on the inside. Putting that to the side, we can take off the ear cups on the actual AirPods, and then that's that. You have your brand new AirPods Max. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the review.